To create a gradient background, I am working with a YouTube document size. So what I'm going to do first is to go over to my elements and come over to shapes and click on this first shape. I'm going to spread this background out to fill out my whole page. Now I'm going to click on the color here and come over to this plus sign. I will go over to gradient. You see, it has already created a gradient for me, but I don't want the color to be yellow. So let's first of all find our first color. So the first color I want to create is the base color. It's red. You see, it's on this extreme end and it's on this point impacts. So I'm starting my first color with red. Now I'm going to go over to the gradients. You see, that's giving me an idea of gradients, that it gave me 2 color gradients here. And it's already chosen a style. This is the style it's on. If we change the style, it changes the style. You can see the style changing. If I want the red to concentrate in the middle, I can concentrate it to the middle, but I want to add more colors to this gradient. So I'm going to click on this plus sign and go over to this second color. And I'm going to take this slider down a bit so that it's a bit transparent. You see, it's getting whitish. So what I'm going to do is to go over to position here, come over to layers and come to this background color. I'm going to go here and change the background color to black. You see what is happening here? If we decide to pick another color for the background, you see it's getting filled out with the color. So let's leave it at black. And I'm going to come back to position and go over to my shape color. You see now, you see it having this gradient. Let's go back to the color, gradient color here, and click on the gradient color. And you can see the shape we are working with. I don't want to work with this last one. I actually want to work with this first one or this one. I'm going to go back into the second color again and take this slide. I think it's a bit small. Depending on the colors you want your gradient to have, I'm going to come in here, maybe switch the color up a bit to something. Yeah, I can take the color here to deepen it. And I also can add more colors to this gradient. So I'm going to add a new color and I'm going to take this slider down a bit and let's see if we can get a different color. So you can just play around with these colors. If we do it this way, you see the kind of gradients we are forming, but let's leave it at the first one or the middle one. So this is the gradients you have here now. Depending on the mix you want to do, you can keep on adding colors. I think you can add a maximum of 7 colors to form your gradients. You can come into each color and switch things up a bit. Now go into this color and take the slider up. I'm going to go over to this color. Let's take the slider to 0. It's going to give it that black background color. I'm going to take it here. Let's add a bit of red again to the middle of that place. When you click on style, it's going to show you the kind of style you're working on. So I think this one turned out to be a fine color. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts. And this one too turned out to be a fine color. So you can actually take out colors by clicking on this delete color, this X sign. And with this, you can click on share, download, and download this page, which you can now import into your uploads and use it in any design you want to work with. Like this video if you got value from it and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.